So I was leaving the college and we spotted these three guys. We think someone needed to get rid of 3 roosters, so they just dropped them off. Which is kind of dumb, because you could just butcher them and eat them if you're not lazy. But yeah, we decided to run home, grab a couple things, and then catch them. My dad didn't think we would be able to, but I'm an expert at this. I swear I could work in animal control. Hey guys. They're really beautiful birds. We can't keep 3 roosters though, so we're gonna end up eating them, I'm sure. But we'll let them hang out for a bit. They're big. Way bigger than any of our chickens. But I pretty much just grabbed some wire fencing because there's already an old wire fence where they were. They were like in this little patch of land in between a highway and a freeway, kind of like right there at the old convergence. And there's an old fence in there in the brush. It's like a lot of poison oak and stuff. And I just hooked the piece of fencing that I brought to the fence that was already there and created a little corner. And then my sister and I kind of forced them into the corner, baiting them with scratch, which is the mix of like corn and seeds and other stuff that you can get for poultry. It's like candy to them. But they weren't that hard to catch. I mean, chickens they're relatively tame. They still freaked out a bit, but they couldn't go anywhere. So, I'm gonna let them out now. Okay, guys. By the way, we lost another duck. We're having a predator problem. So we moved the dogs, the old couch she sleeps on, onto the back deck, which is where she's going to be more useful. And we put all the ducks away last night and kind of confined the geese into a safe area. The geese are smart anyway, like they will try to get to a safe area at night. They kept trying to get onto the deck. But the dog actually ended up getting out of the yard and I think giving chase to the predator, probably a bobcat. I hate bobcats. They're terrible. And these wild cats are so stealthy, it's frustrating. I'd like these guys to... Oh, okay. Here's one of our own chickens. You can kind of see the size difference. She's a hen. Kind of in the background, so it's a little exaggerated, but not much. They're big. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a much bigger bird. Alright, let me get this out of you guys' way. Alright. You guys are pretty tame. Yeah. There we go. Hey, hey. Okay. They're already being aggressive towards the hens. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat you guys. You're gonna cause trouble. You are huge. Oh my goodness. Hey. Oh, they're gonna be trouble. I do. What is she doing? Dude, what are you doing? Dude! Stop it. Yeah, I know they're new. Doesn't mean you get to chase them. They always get very interested in anything new introduced to the flock. These dogs do. I will not have you taste bird blood. Bad doggo. I think she's just curious. You guys being... Oh! And the hen is going to, to defend herself. Hey! I think these roosters are young. Hey! Stop it. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat you guys. It's gonna happen. This always happens when chickens meet each other. They gotta kind of establish dominance. Although this is complicated because these are roosters and they're huge. Am I still recording? Oh yeah, I am. Don't be dicks. Roosters. Hey. Dog? Dude, leave him alone. Ow. I just stepped on a rake. Sideshow Bob moment. Alright, that's all I got for you.